Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you about this van, this Toyota Sienna, and this one is 2007 and similar years. So to get your first fuse box location, it's gonna be right under the steering wheel. It's gonna be right in here, right there. To open it, you just pull it, this cover, and there's your fuses. To know information about fuses, it's gonna be on the cover, right in here. So once you're done with it, to put it back in, you just line it up, and then click right here. And it's secured. So to get to your OBD port, it's right under the steering wheel. It's right in here. To plug in your computer or for DQ. To get to your second one, you have to open the hood. It's located right here. And your second one will be located right in here. If you look at the engine, it's on the right side. And to open it, you have a latch right here on this side. You press on it. Once you press on it, this should come off. Right here, that's the latch. And there's your fuses and relays. And the information about them is right under the cover, right in here. So to close it, just line it up. Make sure it's secure. Right here. Line it up. There you go. So that'll be it for the fuses. But also, if you want to know what's the tire pressure supposed to be, PSI, it's usually located right in here. When you open the door, it's right in here. So it says front, rear, and spare. It's supposed to be a size here. Mine's scratched off, but that's the size, and that's PSI right there, 35, and spare is 60. So this will be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.